100 very simple sentences using was and were. Singular, I, he, she or it, was. Plural, you, we, they, were. Second person singular, you, were. I was hungry. He was tired. She was cold. The car was red. You were happy. We were excited. The sky was blue. The light was on. The oven was hot. The air was fresh. The house was big. The water was cold. The towel was wet. The train was late. The bus was full. The bike was fast. The car was slow. The swing was high. The seesaw was fun. The ball was round. The bat was wooden. The racket was new. The socks were warm. The hat was stylish. The jacket was warm. The shirt was clean. The suit was formal. The tie was striped. The hat was too big. The pillow was soft. The shower was hot. The door was locked. The music was loud. The fridge was empty. The TV was turned off. The blanket was warm. The blanket was warm. The mirror was foggy. The room was messy. The grass was green. The movie was funny. The window was open. The window was open. The clock was ticking. It was raining outside. The soap was slippery. The gym was crowded. The pool was empty. The beach was sandy. The beach was sandy. The store was closed. The office was quiet. The plane was delayed. The boat was rocking. The taxi was available. The slide was slippery. The school was busy. The library was quiet. The dress was elegant. The scarf was colorful. The gloves were warm. The shirt was too tight. The phone was ringing. The clothes were clean. The food was delicious. The pants were too long. The jacket was too heavy. The gloves were too thin. The earrings were shiny. The shoes were too small. The watch was expensive. The necklace was beautiful. The bracelet was sparkling. The glasses were fashionable. The Ferris wheel was slow. The trampoline was bouncy. The helmet was protective. The shoes were comfortable. The pants were comfortable. The museum was quiet. The restaurant was busy. The computer was slow. The computer was slow. The airport was crowded. The bed was comfortable. The bathroom was clean. The toothbrush was new. The toothpaste was minty. The shampoo was fragrant. The book was interesting. The dog was barking loudly. The sky was filled with stars. The sun was shining brightly. The fire was burning brightly. The fire was burning brightly. The roller coaster was thrilling. They were late for the meeting. The street was busy with traffic. The cat was sleeping peacefully. The trees were swaying in the wind. The beach was crowded with people. The birds were chirping in the trees. The children were playing in the park.